This technology ensures that every product meets the highest standards of quality before it reaches the consumer. Section 4. Predicting problems before they happen. AI keeps the machines running. Another area where AI is having a big impact is predictive maintenance. AI-powered systems can monitor the performance of equipment and predict when maintenance will be required. This helps to prevent costly downtime and ensures that equipment is always running at peak performance. It's like knowing your oven is about to break down and calling for repairs before your cake even goes in. Section 5. Smarter supply chains. AI knows when parts are running low. AI is also being used to optimize supply chain management. AI-powered systems can track inventory levels, predict demand, and optimize shipping routes. This helps to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and ensure that manufacturers have the components they need when they need them. Just like a well-stocked pantry helps you whip up a delicious meal, AI ensures factories have all the ingredients. Section 6. The human touch. Why we still need people, even with super smart AI. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the role of artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly significant. However, the importance of human involvement cannot be overstated. While AI is transforming PCB assembly, it's important to remember that human oversight is still essential. Machines can perform repetitive tasks with precision, but they lack the intuition and problem-solving skills that humans bring to the table. We need to make sure that AI systems are being used responsibly and ethically. This involves continuous monitoring and evaluation to ensure that AI decisions align with human values and societal norms. We also need to make sure that we are training workers for the jobs of the future. As AI technology evolves, so too must our workforce. Providing education and training opportunities is crucial for a smooth transition. AI is not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting our capabilities. By leveraging AI, we can enhance productivity and innovation, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative tasks. By working together, humans and AI can create a brighter future for everyone. This collaboration can lead to groundbreaking advancements and solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Even the most advanced robot chef needs a human touch to add that extra sprinkle of love. It's this unique blend of technology and humanity that will drive us forward.